This is a unboxing of the SanDisk ImageMate Pro. SD card reader. I ordered it because this one died, taking an SD card with it. Rest in peace, obviously. I ordered the USB 2.0 version, but I'm not complaining that I got a USB 3.0 version. Kind of surprised, too. Pretty heavy. Kind of scared. I don't want to scratch it. Looks pretty nice. Only reads 3 types of cards compared to the many that this thing does. I don't know what SIM is. Reads microSD, SD, and compact flash. I plan on keeping this, so I put back all the packaging to keep it pristine. Another one of these things. I like these. I only have one from the Leap Motion. Requires Windows 8 or macOS 10.5. 10.5. Yeah, SD, micro SD. Okay, and then on top of that, I also ordered a dual drive, and my sister ordered one too. I hate these packages. So first I will unbox the ATH M50X cable. I have to go get scissors. Where the hell did they go? Oh, there they are. Safety scissors, obviously. What else would you use? Surprisingly high quality for such a low quality package. Yeah, it just feels high quality. Nice. And there's one of these screws, which actually the M50X does include its own, so don't know why they felt the need to include it, but it's nice that they did. Android support, which mean every flash drive should support Android. Made in Malaysia. Compatible with most Android devices. Well, yeah, ones with only charging. Supports everything all the way back from Windows 10 to Vista. And it has both USB-C and USB 3.1. hopefully if this isn't the Logitech F310, it will be easy to get out. Which, so far, it is proving to be more similar to it. Okay. Oh, that's nice. They shrink wrap these. I hate that. Or am I supposed to like rip this apart? Oh, I'm supposed to like slice the bottom. Yeah, interesting. It's nice. It's metal. Really, really small. I only got the 32 gig version because we could get 2 of them for $8. Also nice, it clicks and locks in. The SanDisk looks pretty nice. The SanDisk logo looks pretty nice. The screen on my camera is garbage, so I have absolutely no idea what I'm recording. Yeah, that's it.